Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want to share with you a quote from Tony Robbins. He says, if you find yourself saying, I can't do something, but you know in your heart of hearts that if you do it, you're going to grow, you're going to be a better person, it's going to contribute to your family or to your kids or to something that matters, and you keep saying, I can't do it, there's no question. You must do it. You don't discuss it anymore. You just take immediate action and you do what's necessary. Boom! All right, so go take immediate, massive action, get stuff done, and I'm just proud of you. Stick with it and tag me on Instagram and let me know what you are struggling with the most right now in your business, because I am here to support you. Head to she'smakinganimpact.com to grab some of my freebies to help you build your business, and I'll see you later.